Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you want to have your garden with the beautiful flowers with the zero cost or minimum cost, then you are at the right place. So stay till the end. I want to share you all the ideas I used to do for my gardening and with the low cost or almost zero cost about the flowers. So let's go. Sorry. Before that, please tell me from where you're watching and tell me how was my garden and show me some love. So, firstly, you might be wondering about the pot. Here at my place or most of the place, the pots are very costful and very costly in the price. So, I cannot buy pot whenever I put the new plant. So I made a plant to wow, see, I thought this plant is dying, but new babies is shooting up. Wow, this is the reason I used to do my gardening, because whenever I visit to the garden place, I used to get with the beautiful gifts with the surprise like this. What about you? Tell me why you are in love with the gardens. So let's continue. I used to do the like this pot making, so that no, with the soil and with this pot container you can grow so beautiful plant like this. So number one, your cost for the pots is cross now. You don't have to have tension about to buy a pot, so you can use like this and have ideas to grow on this pot, just bottles which are easily come from the drink like this. They used to grow so beautiful. They don't need such a beautiful, colorful pot to have a beautiful flowers like this. These are all the bottles or buckets I've used which has just damaged while using, so these are so useful for the flower gardens, and they comes and they makes a very beautiful form of gardening. I use also the plastic. See, these are all I made by myself. This one is the one I bought, but I've just bought once or twice, and then I realized that there's so many plastic which I can recycle and make just like this. See, all are the bottles and the waste plastics I have used for my gardenings. It might be the seed or the flowers. I guess nowadays flowers are available all over the places. Just collect them only one or twice. You can make from single plant to maximum by single cuttings, and most of the plants are really grow from the cuttings, and you can just collect a seed from that plant. I'm coming back to this place. See, these spider plants, I have only single plants, and from single plants you can divide into so many plants, and there are so many flowers which are really grow very simply with the cuttings and from collection of seed. So example, this petunia can grow from the cuttings, and this cactus can also grow from the cuttings, but this can also grow from the cuttings, but you can easily get seed from them when they done with their flowers. And sorry, this you have to have a bulb. And but to continue to have beautiful flowers with the zero cost, you can grow this and most of 90% of the flowers from the cuttings, carnations, azalea, also euphorbia and geraniums and Goldawdi. Most of the plants are well grown from the cuttings. So second, the flowers course is also done. I've done zero coursing of 2 points. Firstly the pot, secondly the flowers, thirdly the soil. See, these are my soil which I just collected from the forest. The dry leaves. Sorry, here also I don't get that much good soil, but plant need just love and care more than a good soil and the other mixture of chemicals which makes growth of the flowers. But I most of the time give water and I pinch and pluck all the diet plant, and I think they are growing so well. And I used to do all my flowers with the organic gardenings. I don't use anything, so I think they are growing so well. I just using my, let me show you. See, these are the soil I used to collect from the forest. These dry leaves and my garden soil, and I used to give only water and they used to grow so well. So if you are thinking to buy a soil or anything else, but I think before that, I think there is so many ways that you can do to grow your flowers. You can have a kitchen compost, you can have a dry leaf compost, and so many things. So 3 points, 3 points. Soil problem is done. For today, I have this much only for the zero cost. If you have any ideas more than I know, then please share me in the comments and let me know how was my content. And bye bye, love you all. This much only for today. Please like my video, comments on, and if you have anything to say, please comment below. So bye bye.